Lens distortion is a full-screen post-process effect designed to mimic behaviors seen in real-world camera lenses. Lenses are designed to bend light waves to a fixed point. Depending upon what length of the lens you're using, it will distort more or less the image in front of the camera. There are two types of lens distortion: barrel distortion and pincushion distortion. The lens distortion effect is used for many purposes in video games, whether for simulating real-world effects or to serve other gameplay purposes. In Unity, unlock the inspector, then go to Add Effects, Unity, then add the lens distortion effect. The lens distortion effect has a couple of properties to configure. Intensity determines how convex or how concave the virtual lens is. Positive values give a barrel distortion, and negative values gives a pincushion distortion. The intensity of the distortion is also affected by two variables, X multiplier and Y multiplier, which are the intensity of the effect on the X-axis and the Y-axis. The lens distortion is centered by default, but can be offset using center X and center Y values. Scale determines the scale of the scene. Values higher than 1 cause the virtual lens to zoom in, while the opposite cause the scene to tile. This is it for the lens distortion effect. See you in the next lecture.